wig lover, this is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and this is a review of the Wynter wig by Estetica. It's part of their spring 2019 collection, and the color is R6/28F. This is my third attempt at making this video because I honestly cannot think of a nice way to say I really don't like this wig. But look at how weird this thing is. It's like flat on top, and then it's like a rectangle of hair right here, like Princess Leia buns worth of poof right here with this in the front. Just it's a personal thing, like it's a subjective sort of thing, and that's the thing I've been struggling to communicate in my previous attempts at making this video, is that, you know, I understand, and I'm you know, just so you guys know for the record, I am very open about the fact that, you know, I review a lot of things and I don't always like the things that I'm reviewing. And you can tell when I really like something because I get really jazzed about it and animated. Likewise, you can tell when I really don't like something for similar reasons. But things I'm kind of meh about, or, you know, just casually disinterested in, I will still muscle through and make those videos, because at the end of the day, it's not about me and what I want to wear and what I feel pretty in. I'm trying to play mannequin, so that way you can kind of imagine what this thing probably looks like in real life. The back is really cute. But like I said, this front is really awkward. It isn't really steamed off the face, so it just kind of flops in front of it. And I've been struggling with that every attempt I've had making this video. By the way, I've probably played with this wig probably for a good 45 minutes at this point. So definitely not a wig I would consider easy to wear, because even to get it to look like this, you have to play with it extensively. The principle of this cut is cute. Like, you can see where they were going with the layering. It's just where it, like, see how long it is here on the sides and how much shorter it is just a couple of inches back. So if you fluff this up, let's see if I can get this to work at all. Like, that helps. A little bit of volume on the top of this wig, i.e. if they put more permatease in the darn thing, this wig would be completely transformed. It would look amazing. Hence my frustration trying to showcase this on camera and try to discuss, you know, the fact that it's kind of a nuanced point of view. I think it's ugly right out of the box. It is, frankly, the word that I keep using in the videos is hideous. It looks really hideous right out of the box. But if you play with it a lot, and if they just threw a little bit more permatease in it, but I mean, you really have to play with this thing a lot, you can get it to look more flattering. See, so it has potential. It's just frustrating because I shouldn't have to play with this thing this much. And I honestly think that this is such a unique shape that most people are not going to be able to pull this off. Now you can see, as I was playing with it, it got cuter, right? It got progressively better, but I'm still not a big fan. Here is the cap construction. So we've got a lace front that goes from ear tab to ear tab. We've got permatease up here. I argue it needs way more because that volume will make this entire style sing. We've got open wefts on the side and in the back, as well as an extended open nape and a hook enclosure. This kind of style is way too flat on top and way too poofy on the sides. That is its downfall. If they incorporated more volume at the top, I think it would make a world of difference in how the style looks. But the thing is, as you wear it during the day, I mean, let's just keep it real. You can fluff it up to look great for 5 seconds, but through the day, it will flatten out and it will poof out here on the sides, and you'll end up with, like, you know, 1990s Jane, you know? It's an acquired taste. I think it's got potential. I personally would not wear it, But again, I'm not showing you these videos based upon what I like. I'm showing them to see if you like them and if you'd like to buy them at our store. And I'm still gonna carry this because, like I said, I think for the right person this would be a cute wig. It's just not for me. So this is, at least it's got a point of view, at least it's not boring, right? So this is the Wynter by Estetica in the color R6/28F. And I also want to send a shout out to Rich and Grace at Estetica. I know they work very hard to develop these styles, and they've been doing a stellar job of creating some pretty innovative stuff. The thing is, when you have a really strong point of view, it's just not gonna hit with everybody, right? So that's why, to me, this is purely a subjective thing, because I could see that this would be really cute on somebody. It's just not me, you know? And that's all there is to it. So again, Wynter, consider the permatease, or maybe come out with a version of this that has more volume on top. I would buy that. It would look really cute. Wynter R6/28F. I'm Heather from CysterWigs. You can see this there. And thanks for watching, everybody. Bye-bye.